My dear friend, welcome back to Irfan site. So guys, in this video we're going to talk about the importance of providing cover block. So first we'll talk about the size of cover block for each structural member. So coming to the footing, we have to provide 50 to 60 mm cover block, and for column 40 mm cover block, for beam 25 mm cover block, for slab 15 to 20 mm cover block, and for a staircase we will going to provide 15 mm cover block. Okay, so let's discuss the type of cover block. There are mainly four type of cover block we are using. So the first is RCC concrete cover block, second is PCC concrete cover block, third is PVC block, okay, and the fourth one is wooden cover block. So guys, the concrete cover block is very essential for every building element such as footing, column, beams and slab, where the reinforced bar are placed, okay, or present. So guys, we'll talk about the importance of providing cover block. Okay, there are some points to be discussed in this video. So the first point is to maintain a specific distance between the rebar or reinforced bar and outer surface of the concrete. So the second point is to protect the reinforced bar from the corrosion and also help in the fire protection. Okay, so the third point is maintaining the structural strength and durability of reinforced concrete element. So guys, coming to the fourth point, for developing adequate bond strength along the steel bar and the surface area. So guys, coming to the last point, that is it also gives to retain the reinforced in exact position. So guys, this video was about a cover block, so please subscribe and do share this video. Okay, bye bye.